Welcome back to another Yiddish video. In today's video, I'll be teaching you all another vocabulary topic in Yiddish. Adjectives. How do you describe something or someone in Yiddish? Well, today you're about to find out. Here we go! Hoch, kurz, groß, klein, dünn, dick, grob, dar, jing, alt, nahe, schnell, stark, hoch, still, geht, schlecht, ruhig, wild, schmutzig, rein, stark, schwach, schmul, breit, freilich, traurig, schein, mies, falsch, gerecht, ganz, zerbrochen, hart, weich, grud, schief, oiven, inten, nunt, wart, schwer, gering, heiß, kalt, warm, tinkel, lächtig, hoch, niedrig, nass, tricken, spät, früh, gesinnt, krank, fill, leidig. And of course, a huge part of describing things is with colors. So if you haven't watched my video yet on Yiddish colors, you can find a link to it in the description. That's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Tak voor die dag, liefde, tschüss en auf Wiedersehen.